The core activity of the Mechatronics Research Group is the dynamic modeling and control of large-scale industrial systems. This implies that we want to optimize some parameters in a industrial process, and mostly this implies improving the energy efficiency, the plant reliability, as well as the quality of the product that comes out of the process.
Well, obviously a process needs to be controlled because you have several things that can impact on a process that's not controlled, like it is especially in terms of safety, environmental legislation, things like your production that is not on specification, or even loss in production. All of those things can happen in a process that is not properly controlled or understood.
Now, this topic also includes the broader topic of condition monitoring, which involves monitoring various parameters in the system with the aim of optimizing the process using those parameters.
Our aim is to start a group at university with the competence to model processes, especially chemical processes in my case, for the students as well as staff at the plants to understand the process, but also to be able to efficiently control such processes.
The name mechatronics actually comes from the field of mechatronics, which comes from the active magnetic bearings, which is a product of mechatronics. How you can visualize what we are doing is if you, for instance, take the example of a cold drink factory that has to manufacture cold drinks according to a certain standard, implying that the quality of the product must be within certain parameters. With our research, we can actually model that complete process and we can control it so that the product is within certain limits. But at the same time, we are also concerned with the plant that produces the product, so that the plant is operated within its limits, and in that sense extending the life of the plant or its reliability. And also the other factor that's important in these days is energy efficiency. So we will operate the plant in the most energy efficient way. Due to the multidisciplinary nature of most industrial processes, the Mechatronics Group is characterized by a multidisciplinary team. The aim is to make relevant contributions in terms of publications and solving problems in industry.